Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Accord. We're talking about that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you have one of those and you have problems where you get a code for oxygen sensor, bank 1, let's say sensor 1 or sensor 2, you get a code for that. We will explain how a bad fuse can actually, guys, cause that. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check for oxygen sensors, oxygen sensor heaters, where that fuse is located. Also, we're going to talk where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure it's until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So right here, guys, okay, which fuse we need to check on a 2010 Honda Accord will demonstrate. You have 3 different fuse boxes we'll be working in. One of them, luckily enough for us, guys, and that fuse box is located right under the hood. That's the fuse box right here. That's the main engine management fuse box. Okay, we're going to open that cover here and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Now, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you have codes, problems related to oxygen sensors, guys, okay, there is one fuse that controls the oxygen sensors and the oxygen sensors heaters on that Honda Accord. And if you come in that row of fuses from right to left, that's from driver side to passenger side, that fuse right here is fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Fuse number 14, 15M fuse, that's the one for the oxygen sensors right there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.